box. Get out of here. What kind of hardware do we get? I like hardware. Okay. Harley bolts again.
Harley bolts.
Is that a 35? Looks like a 35, I think.
I can't tell.
Can't tell. Can't read.
No. Blind.
Makes it easier for you to read it. Wipe it off for you.
38.
38. Where do you think these go?
But two of them.
This one's coarse. These are fine.
So those four probably go here.
Nope, they had studs that came through there.
Oh, that's right. Studs and nuts. Oh shit, I have no idea then.
The back of the transmission mounting plate has two to go into the frame. But the front two usually have a nut on them. But if the tranny plate was threaded, it would be these would be the transmission mounting plate. And the coarse one, I don't know what the coarse one would be. A 3/8 coarse thread, I don't know what that's used on a Harley. I don't recognize that one. That one I don't know where it would go. I don't get stumped very often, but I don't. 3/8 coarse bolt is not a common thing on a Harley. Fine thread, yes. Coarse, no. Yeah, I don't know where that would go. But it's a genuine bolt. It goes somewhere. You know where these go, don't you?
Let's see. No. Well, those probably go up there. Yeah.
1, 2.
And then those nuts probably go back here where the studs go.
Yeah, once again, it's a Harley bolt.
Yeah.
I think there's a lock tab. So yeah, here's a lock tab for it.
Oh, look at that.
Now these would work on a 10 primary application too. Same bolt pattern, so that's the original hardware and the original lock tab. It's hardly got any rust on it. It's always been oil. Pretty nice parts. You don't usually see the stuff like this. It's real nice.
Yeah.
Especially all this original hardware. You never see it.